Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable D-Range Optimizer on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to scroll to the exposure/color section, so this pink section right here. And then we're going to scroll down to color/tone, and from color/tone select D-Range Optimizer. And here, if we take our lens cap off, you can check the preview of how the option looks with or without the D-Range Optimizer. So you also have levels to the D-Range Optimizer if you select auto. So there are a few options that you can select from, or you can turn D-Range Optimizer off. So select the option that suits you the best. And once you've done that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.